Today we're going to install a new battery on this 2013 Hyundai Genesis 2.0 Turbo. Alright, first thing we're going to do is going to go ahead and put on this thermal shield. Go ahead and put in the battery. Go ahead and use both hands to wiggle it in there. Alright, and there it is. Now we're going to go ahead and grab this bracket. It's going to slide right down here. And there is a bolt hole right inside that groove right there. So we'll go ahead and slide it into place. We'll grab the bottom bolt, which is the longer one. There's a shorter one that's going to go right in here, but we'll put that one at the end. Let's go ahead and put this one way down there. And when it's hard to reach spots, I like to use this magnet. Whoa, almost dropped it, to help it out. And we'll work it in there. You're able to drop it in, and then we'll secure it down. Alright, for this one we'll be using a 12mm socket with an extension to be able to reach it. But before we secure that one down, let's grab the other bolt and just align this one, sit into place, because once that one's secured, you're going to have a hard time adjusting this one. Alright, so there it is. Now go ahead and secure both of them. Once you have this bracket nice and secure, this battery's not going to go anywhere. Let's go ahead and remove these covers, and we'll go ahead and put in the positive terminal first. And we're going to use a size 10mm to secure this. Then once we have that tied down, go ahead and cover that up. Go ahead and connect this one here. Alright, and there it is. And like I said, it's just a 10mm, so it's nice and secured, and you are all set. And that is how you install a new battery on this 2013 Honda Genesis 2.0. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.